In this video, we'll go over what's been happening in the crypto markets from the past few days. We'll be going over the 6 following topics. 1. OneCoin crisis manager Frank Schneider to face trials. 2. Binance Coin BNB suffering speculation. 3. FTX founder's arrest. 4. Ledger hardware wallet adds a tracking feature. 5. Kevin O'Leary recovering lost funds from the FTX collapse. And 6. Decentraland allows virtual land rentals. And number 7. TISEC to tighten up rules for crypto. Focus on investor protection. Before we begin, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel as we provide the best in the crypto markets. Now, let's get right into the video. Number 1. OneCoin crisis manager Frank Schneider to face trial in the US. Division of Equity returned to its case contrary to straightforward Schneider, who served on the grounds that the debacle for OneCoin, a $4 billion sham test. OneCoin was a crypto-based Ponzi plot driven by Bulgarian cross-country Ruja Ignatova in 2014. The sham test fell in 2017, subsequent to raising around $4 billion from investors all through 175 global events. From that point forward, specialists all over the planet along with the DOJ have been following its geniuses. Luxembourg-conceived Blunt Skenider allegedly filled in as OneCoin's debacle boss and toiled eagerly with the crypto queen. Given his shut ties with the test originators, the DOJ has alluded to his removal to the U.S. Prior to September 24, 2020, the DOJ documented a development contrary to Skenider. Regardless, the cases contrary to him had been fixed till December 5, 2022, when U.S. Attorney Damian Williams approved the unlocking of the development for Skenider's preliminary to start. A capture warrant has been given contrary to Schneider, who is anticipated to be moved to the U.S. He's set to confront preliminaries sooner than a southern region court on 2-count expenses of wire misrepresentation and money laundering. Whenever affirmed dependable, Schneider risks managing as much as 40 years detainment alongside relinquishing all property and monetary returns from the OneCoin sham. Number 2. BNB suffers at the hands of Binance speculation. What can traders expect? BNB token has moreover been on a downtrend in current days. Speculation that Binance might actually be indicted has prompted a whirlwind of thought on the change preceding. There was a revealed work on withdrawals, which could guide out that this provoked a few clients toward a red alert. Because of this, the value of its local cryptographic money, BNB, could have dropped. On the 12th of December, Reuters delivered a report that set off the chain of events. Key Binance leaders have been supposedly on the sting of U.S. arraignment, as per the data organization's report. The report asserted that the Division of Equity had been focusing on Binance, the most significant brought-together Bitcoin change, for quite a long time. Contrasting feelings among DOJ specialists have been, in any case, holding up a full-scale capture and indictment. A vital degree of rivalry, as per the report, was the weight of the gathered evidence. Instant withdrawal or customary activity. Clients of Binance obviously became involved with a condition of stress when the information was sent off, as a huge withdrawal was seen when the report was sent off. Information from Nansen showed that throughout the span of 24 hours, Binance saw a negative web course of billions of dollars. In any event, when this adjustment wasn't in a split second related to the data, the planning of the huge surge added to the FUD that provoked the withdrawals. The consistent analysis the change got because of review and evidence of hold also didn't help this account. Andrew Thurman, an examiner, tweeted that several market producers had made significant withdrawals throughout the prior days. Blockchain data uncovered that significant amounts have been moved away from Binance by a considerable amount of clients over the earlier week, along with primary cryptographic money market producers like Takeoff Trading and Wintermute. By way of withdrawals from Binance, SOR buying and selling appears to face out as a transparent frontrunner. Fixed exercise off-exchange might point out a dearth of liquidity. BNB drops in each day time frame. The native token of the change, BNB, took notice of the happenings and reacted in a similar way. The asset's value motion was horizontal up till the 11th of December, as could possibly be seen within each day's time frame chart. It had misplaced greater than 4% of its worth, and in the course of the buying and selling time that was being noticed when this was being written, it had misplaced one other 3%. Its potential for an extra downturn can happen due to the relative energy indexes, RSI stance, which was under the impartial line. Moreover, the quantity indicator's indication confirmed that sellers have been in management. Being an exchange token, holders could also be recalling the demise of FTT when FTX went bankrupt. FUD or pump? The coming days will tell. The Twitter account Look On Chain reported that Wintermute had deposited almost $150 million and that Justin Solar had put $100 million into Binance Supply in the previous 24 hours. Number 3, disgraced FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried is now under arrest, expected to face charges in the US. Crypto outsider Sam Bankman-Fried has been arrested by specialists inside the Bahamas in the interest of the US. The exchange is the essential sign that the principal architect of crypto exchange FTX will confront crime charges for the amazing vanishing of at least $1 billion in customer funds. U.S. legal advisor for the southern region of New York, Damian Williams, made the declaration on Twitter. Recently, Bahamian specialists arrested Samuel Bankman-Fried on the solicitation of the U.S. Specialists, dependent for the most part upon a fixed prosecution. We depend on you to move to unlock the prosecution inside the morning and could have extra to say right now. Prior to his arrest, Bankman sent off a broad advertising showcasing effort, unmistakably talking about his contribution inside the collapse of the FTX exchange. He asserts undesirable accounting is capable, and says his crypto trading organization Alameda Examination principally situated monstrous market wagers using FTX purchaser assets without his data. Number 4, Ledger hardware wallet adds DeFi tracking feature. Clients and manufacturers are looking for strategies to stay secure and proficient following a year of instability and vulnerability. All through this shift, the Hardware Pockets engineer record presented a pristine coordination for clients to follow the value of their property. Record and Merlin, a decentralized money portfolio tracker, presented their new organization on December 13 to convey live DeFi productivity investigation to Record Stay clients. The application, which associates with Record's crisp stockpiling wallets, supplies more than 5 million clients. The recently inherent DeFi tracker interfaces north of 1,000 DeFi conventions, all through 10 blockchain networks. Clients can have passage to proficiency measurements and profit and misfortune stories, along with amassed accounts of fuel spent and determined yields. Eli Azzi, prime supporter and boss item official of Merlin by VOC, educated Cointelegraph how this ordered data helps merchants explore every one of the pieces available to them. It's an issue for them to order the entirety of their trading data without interfacing with each specific individual stage, various events, which might open them to risk. Azzi kept on saying that the chief hacks and embarrassments of the last year have demonstrated to us that the crypto region has been compromised from its fundamental decentralization. Since the area gets itself, every clients and companies need to re-establish decentralization with straightforwardness as building blocks. There has in no way, shape or form been a more grounded contention for DeFi, and for open, clear and trustless choices, whereupon crypto has consistently been basically developed. Additionally, the fresh-out-of-the-box new capability from Merlin will empower dealers to attest liquidity provider charges and rewards directly from the point of interaction without the need to leave the stage. After the breakdown of FTX, numerous clients inside the crypto region began attempting hardware wallets as a piece of their procedure to hold their property more secure. Trezor, a hardware pockets provider, revealed a 300% flood in gross deals pay after the occurrence. Numerous fundamental gamers inside the area, equivalent to Binance chief Changpeng CZ, Zhao and Ethereum fellow benefactor Vitalik Buterin, enlivened self-authority over the course of the last month. Number 5, venture capitalist Kevin O'Leary says he plans to recover lost funds from FTX collapse after full investigation. Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary says that he has plans to recover the assets he lost from fell crypto substitute FTX. In a shiny new meeting with Yippee Money, O'Leary says that FTX should bear a full scientific review so prospects and merchants can find and recover their lost assets, as the vast majority of them don't have a straightforward way to reclamation yet. In light of the undertaking entrepreneur, he's one of many wronged occasions that can't screen down the money he put into the organization. I'm one among them. That definitively seemed obvious to me, and I plan to fix it. I will pursue that money. I would like it once more, I've the resources to make it happen. I'm extremely fortunate that I've a great many devotees. I will take them on the excursion and I will get the money in the future. Also, the spot where the chips fall, I don't have any idea. Who will imprison me? I don't have any idea. Who was fake? I don't have the foggiest idea, but I'll find them because that is 100% auditable. I couldn't care less assuming it requires 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years, it doesn't make any difference to me. You may not take my money and depend on me to sit idle. I'm pursuing it, indistinguishable from various foundations will do the indistinguishable element. The undertaking tycoon proceeds to actuate FTX organizer Sam Bankman-Fried, and the organization managing the crypto substitute's bankruptcy honestly and uncover the data behind the crypto substitute's crumbling. Every legal advisor and his canine pursues this variable legitimate now, making an endeavor to figure out what happened. Anyway, we don't know anything. So for what reason don't we absolutely get the data first? Furthermore, on the off chance that Sam Bankman-Fried can sparkle gently on the data, we even need to address individuals who will go through the section course of, and that is the indistinguishable staff that did Enron. And what I would like from them is entire straightforwardness on each easily overlooked detail, along with passage to my record and every one of the information there. What's more, we now have controllers generally all around the world chasing after that exact same data. Sooner than that is finished, I'll be proficient to, in my own personal staff, reproduce each single exchange that happened because you may not take them off the blockchain and I'll section them by the point. I end prosecuting each switch. Number 6, Decentraland enables virtual land rental. Decentraland, a metaverse-based stage, has empowered the leasing of computerized land by house proprietors. This comes in light of the fact that the metaverse account develops inside the public awareness. Decentraland was one of numerous first stages to present allowing clients to individual packages of advanced land. Inside the universe, you might create and advance these bundles. Presently, these clients of the stage, or land house proprietors, can rent out these advanced regions as property managers. In light of an authority firm declaration, starting this December, landowners will be equipped to rent it out for a predefined time frame outline. A landowner is the record or pocket tackle that holds the reasonable agreement for the computerized property. It might just be a bundle, a property, or each. And by permitting house proprietors of those properties to rent them out, the stage has opened up techniques to procure inactively for land house proprietors. Decentraland follows in the footsteps of popular metaverse drives like Sandbox by allowing clients to rent land. Another stage is the spot clients can buy, advance, and rent computerized regions. These experiences are accessible by means of 2 native tokens, mana and land. The previous is an ERC20 token that you simply burn to accumulate non-fungible ERC, 721 land tokens. Mana additionally serves as a utility token on the platform. It may be used to pay for a spread of avatars, wearables, names, and different issues on the Decentraland market. And number 7, TAIESEC to tighten up rules for crypto, focus on investor protection. Thailand joins the rising record of countries which may be looking to re-examine their crypto guideline, inside the consequence of the FTX breakdown. What's more, as the majority of those countries do, it plans to fix the standards for the exchange and concentrate on financial backer well-being. As per the report from the Bangkok setup uncovered on December 13, the Thai Protections and Exchange Charge is preparing extra rigid principles on computerized property to mirror the overall market. To legitimize such a call, the SEC delegates purportedly gestured on the disappointments of FTX, 3 Bolts Capital, the Land USD, Celsius People Group and the local substitute, ZipMex. The controllers moreover raised their anxiety with the ongoing propensities in crypto advancing, remarkably the use of finfluencers to deliver the message, which might have misdirected the watchers into subsidizing risks. They considered the Advanced Resource Exchange to be helpless and in need of oversight. The SEC featured financial backer well-being, the executives over crypto advancing, avoidance of struggles of interest and network safety as fundamental regions to zero in its endeavors on. It has organized a functioning council, blended in with each official and individual partners, to assess and assemble the connected revisions to current guidelines. Inquisitively, it's not the essential time the TAIESEC followed up on crypto advancing prerequisites. It has proactively obliged the market gamers to have clear subsidizing admonitions to customers again in September. The indistinguishable month, the SEC opened a public attention on its drive to restrict crypto stages from offering or supporting computerized resource storehouse organizations. The possible boycott of any marking and loaning organizations is intended to monitor traders and the vast majority. If you liked the video, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel as we provide the best and latest in the crypto space.